I want to be a professional job, or I want to be working in a big organization or like that. I performed my level best and I got placed. I was very happy because I got placed.
Hi everyone, welcome to the series Edioda Alumni Talks, and this is your host Rishabh Chatterjee. Today we have a special guest here with us, which is Ashik. So first of all, I would like to congratulate him for getting placed, and also I would like to thank him for taking the time out from his busy schedule and sharing his story with all of us here. So welcome, Ashik.
Thank you, Rishabh.
So Ashik, can you tell us like which company have you got placed in?
I got placed in Industries Group.
Okay, like and
As
what
a,
is the job role?
I was doing a service desk engineer.
All right. So, how was the feeling when you came to know that finally you have got placed in this company?
Actually, I have no words to explain that because this is my dream to get placed in a company and work for some big organization, and I finally got placed here.
So, how was your family's reaction when they came to know you got placed?
They are very happy.
So, let us know like from where are you and like little bit about your childhood.
Yeah, I am from Kerala. Till 12th, I studied in Kerala only, and for degree, I went to Mangalore,
Okay. In
and
Kerala, which
I
place?
completed Kasargod.
Okay. All right. And then you were saying 12th you did from Bangalore.
Yeah, not 12th. My degree, my BE degree, I completed in Mangalore.
Like, what was the course?
BE Computer Science Engineer.
Okay. So, computer science engineering.
Yeah.
Okay. And after that, like, were you working or how was it?
No, after that, all my friends got placed because of
Mm-hmm.
my behavior in college. I want to say like that only because I did very bad. So I didn't get placed and I felt very sad because I need to study something. I need to perform. I have to perform. I thought like that, and I looked for an certification in data science because I love data science from my last semester. And I was looking for that, and I got a ad of Etioda Digital University from Instagram, and I applied from there and got it.
So you already told us a little bit like how you came to know about Edioda, but how was your
Yeah.
schedule while you enrolled for the course? How are you following the schedule? How are you watching the videos?
First of all, I got one call after I sent an application. I think his name is Joe, and he's also from Kerala. He gave me some brief about this Edioda Digital University, and he asked me we need to clear a test. For that test, he gave me some materials to learn, and in my mind, I have to overcome that test, and I want to join this course because I was looking for data science course for 2 months and I didn't get any. And I tried to get clear that exam. I need to get 70% mark. I tried my best and I got it. And I started my journey with Etioda. I will watch continuously till getting placed. I continuously attended live sessions only. I prefer live sessions only. I don't like recording session. It will take more time because my mind will roam somewhere while watching recording session. I feel very bored. But after getting placed, I forgot to take my laptop, my personal laptop to Bangalore. So I failed to attend the classes, and now all main part I missed. Data science I missed, and I have to watch that recordings. I will watch. All the classes are very good, very nice. I really enjoyed Python class, especially. I want to thank Ritesh Kumar, who taught us Python, and I don't know Python from the beginning, and he made me Python lover. I said you that I want to be a Python developer because of Ritesh. Ritesh made me like this. I came to know many things about Python. His class was very nice, and it was very no, not boring classes. That was very nice. I really enjoyed Python classes, and especially, I don't know those people name who took MySQL. I forgot their name. MySQL and data analysis, data wrangling. Till data wrangling, I attended my classes. After that, I went to Bangalore and I failed to attend those classes. I have to watch that recording sessions for machine learning. A little basics for Java and all. I don't know anything about Python. Yeah, at least data set, I don't know anything. From completely scratch, I learned Python. We learned many things, but we don't know how to practice these things, how to implement these things.